Finding the right tablet for us kids can be hard. But my mum says the new Fire Kids edition is the only one that includes everything she was looking for. It has tons of storage space and a long battery life, which my dad thinks is wonderful. The tablet comes with a 2-year worry-free guarantee, so if I break it, my mum can simply send it and they will replace it for free, no questions asked. Sometimes I don't want to put it down, so my parents set time limits for each activity with Amazon Fire for Kids. We both love that it includes 1 year of Amazon Fire for Kids Unlimited, with over 5,000 books, themes, movies, TV shows and educational apps. When I'm done, my parents can see what I've discovered in their parent dashboard so we can talk about it together. The Fire Kids edition. More than just a tablet.